a very good hot niche that I found that can make you thousands of dollars this year 2022. This niche is absolutely incredible, and I know it has a kind of competition, but the sales are enormous, and I found sub niches or mini niches from this niche that has low competition that I will tell you at the end of the video. So the niche is prompt journal. So as you can see, the results for this niche is 10,000 results. I know this is a lot of results, a lot of competition, but as you can see, the sales and the ranking is very low, so it's very nice. So for example, this one 4081, and if we go 4081 and its book, we will see that this only book make 771 sales every single month. So, and it's, as you can see, it's $25. It's not like normal low content book 6.9, 7.9. No, it's 25. So I will say that the royalty for every sale is more than $4 or $5. So $5 multiplied by 771, so this is probably a couple of thousand every single month. And let's see inside. I know this is sponsored, but as you can see, it's a low content book. Let's go to another one that may be a little bit easier. For example, let's see this one or this one. This one is also very good, 158. Everything below 300,000 is good. So reflect, and if we look inside, so yeah, it's low content. Every page have 2 sentences or a couple of sentences or a checklist. So it's not a very easy, but kind of easy to create. And as you can see, the price is a little bit high, and it sells. So $12.99. It's a very good. And also this one is pretty good, 52-week mental health journal. So yeah, so we found this niche from the original niche. So yeah, we discovered another niche. And if we look inside this book to see how is the interior, let's see. So this journal belongs to introduction and some paragraphs, and then they will ask you, I think, 7 questions, and then they will be repeated all over the book for 52 weeks. So this is the year, 52 weeks. So this is journal to help the people record their stories. And look, wow, look at this one, 21. Guys, do you know what 21 means? This is absolutely crazy. 21. Oh my god, 22,564 sales per month. So probably he's making more than $40,000 every single month. Wow, from this one. Imagine that, making $40,000 every single month from a book that you created once, and then it sells by itself, and you just collect the royalties. It's truly passive income that you must do it also. And also this one, soul therapy, is also very good ranking. And look, all of them, 66, 69, 56, 16, 160, 1108. Almost all of them has incredible ranking. So this niche is absolutely hot. I advise anyone that's more than beginner that create a design that stand out and run ads to it, so it will stand out and get some traffic, and then it will stand out by itself. So, and if we dig deep to a sub niche from this, we will see that life story journal with prompts is also a sub niche from that previous one. So it's also a low content book that you can create, and the ranking is absolutely incredible and unbelievable. So let's see this one, for example. Look how easy is the design. Tell me your life story, mom. Tell me your life story, dad. For mom and dad. So very very simple design, cover design. And also if we see inside the book, we can see that it's a low content, so the customer will fill it, not the seller, but it needs some kind of work. But as you can see, it's 8,000 result, so still not low competition. Any niche more than 1,000, for example 2 3 4,000, this is a very huge competition, so it's not for beginners, so it's very very hard to stand out without ads organically. But the mini niche or the sub niche that you can stand out without any ads, without any outsource traffic, is this one: shadow journal with prompts. Look at the results: 643 results. This is a way less than 1,000. So this is a very very low competition, and as you can see, people buy it a lot. 3,600. If we go here, 3,600, it's a decent amount of sales every single month. So probably 2,000 or 3,000 per month he's making. And also this one, 33, 16,100. So almost all of them is a very good ranking, because almost all of them is below than 300,000. So this is a very very good niche. Try it, create as many books as you can, and try to create a different looking design. Cover design is the first thing that the customer will see. So stand out, don't copy other designs, because you will not get any sales. Because treat yourself like a customer. If you see two similar designs, for example this one and this one, I know they are not similar, but for example they are similar, and the original one has, for example, 7,000 reviews, 300 reviews, and yours has none, hasn't any reviews. What will he buy? This one, the original one, or yours? They are similar cover design. Of course, the one that has a review. So don't try to copy cover designs. Try to stand out by a different idea. And the different idea, that doesn't mean it's so professional or so hard to make. No. Look at this one. It stands out because it's simple, because it's different idea, different thinking. So yeah, so not more complex mean more professional, no, but try to spend as much time to work on your cover, because it's the first thing that the customer will see. Then your title and description, and of course don't forget to put appropriate keywords when you upload it to Amazon KDP. That's it for today, and thank you for watching.